Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's Cricut Design Space tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the background from any image. Have you ever wanted to use a regular picture with your Cricut? Or maybe you found a picture that you want to use for a craft, but you need to take the background out of it? If so, then this tutorial's for you. Let's get started in Cricut Design Space. I wanted to make some stickers of flowers, but I couldn't find what I was looking for in Design Space. So I found this picture that I wanted to use instead. The only problem was that it's a normal picture with a busy background, not an SVG file. Not to worry though, I'll show you how to make any picture work for you. Over on the left, click on Upload. Click on Upload Image and choose the picture you want to use. Now you have three options for your image type. If it's a normal picture, click on Complex. This is the screen I'm going to walk you through. To start, up at the top, you can click on Crop. This is pretty standard, and you can resize it however you like. Next, over on the left, you can click on Remove Background. This feature is included in Cricut Access, and if you don't have that, don't worry, you can do it manually as well. Let's click on Remove Background, and you can see that even with a complex background, it does a really good job at removing it automatically. We could stop here and leave it as it is, but I'll show you the other buttons that you can use as well. If part of your picture doesn't delete properly, you can use these tools. You can use Erase to take out any sections you want. If you don't have Cricut Access, use this tool to remove what you need. If you make a mistake, you can press the Undo button. The button beside that is Restore. If too much of the image was removed, or if you want to leave a bit of an outline around your image, you can use this to put parts back that were already erased. Once you're happy with how it looks, press Apply and Continue. This will be used for stickers, so I'll pick Print then Cut. Now you can click on Upload and add it to your canvas. Well, there you have it. This picture is done and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.